All right, take two. This is now my third time trying to record this video, but third time's the charm. So what I have purchased is the Nesut Nectar Cob drops, and I purchased these from SoIonic Botanicals, which is KTtheArchDegree. It's his brand. If you haven't heard of him, just type in KTtheArchDegree in like YouTube, Instagram. He's pretty well known, and I have been wanting to try out some of his like holistic remedies, or we'll say holistic remedies for a while, like just out of curiosity, because you know I'm kind of into that. I'm really into holistic health and a little tab of like ratchet shit. It's all about balance over here. But recently I've been having some issues with my vision. I'm not going to get into that too much here because mainly this is just like my intro video. The purpose was to do an unboxing, but I've already gotten it out of the box because this is the third time I'm trying to do this video. But I am going to be taking you guys along the way, you know, as I administer the drops to myself, let you know about any benefits that I experience, and you know, if I think that this really does what it says it will do, or it could potentially do. On the website, it does say that it would take up to 30 days for processing of the order. It definitely took less time than that, but it took a pretty decent amount of time, like 2.5 weeks, I think. It took like, you know, around the 20 to 22 day mark is when I got a shipping confirmation with a tracking number. And I get it, like it's a small business. It's not Amazon over there, and you know, I appreciate what I'm getting, so I didn't mind it like not shipping out the next day or whatever. I did purchase this during the Black Friday sale, and so I got the drops for 50% off the regular price, and I purchased the 60 ml bottle. So I really wanted to show you guys because I was really curious myself with this being honey. It does come in a dark glass bottle, which I guess is, you know, meant to protect the contents, but the honey itself is so pretty. But I was wondering, you know, it's like, okay, I'm supposed to put this in my eyes, like what is the, okay, y'all please forgive me, I am not recording this video again. The package ships in a box. Inside of the box there are biodegradable packing peanuts, which I love because that's good for the environment. My cat decided to get into the packing peanuts and try to eat them. That's how the second video went haywire. And then, so I just ended up like dumping them all into the sink. That's why my shirt is wet. You guys really don't care. We're here to talk about the drops, but I don't know why I even feel the need to explain at this point. I just feel disheveled and crazy at this point. But anyway, you know, it's in this dark glass bottle. It's in a box, in a cardboard box with the biodegradable packing peanuts, and then also wrapped in bubble wrap. And then there's a little like muslin or cotton bag that's included with it. Let me show you guys. So this is how it came, give or take a few packing peanuts, because most of them are in the pipes dissolved, but it comes with these, you know, and then it's wrapped really securely with this bubble wrap to make sure the glass doesn't break. And then within the bubble wrap, you know, the bottle was in this little bag, which I could reuse for something. And I think that's really nice, just being mindful, you know, of the environment and waste and things like that. So probably, you know, over 90% of the packing materials are biodegradable, including the bottle itself. I was really curious when I saw this online. I was really curious about the consistency, you know, because it is honey, like wondering if that's something that I would be able to actually drop into my eye, or like what's the actual consistency of it. So let's see. And you see, like, it drops pretty easily off of the dropper, a single drop. It's kind of viscous. It's almost giving me like okra vibes, like that mucilage effect. I was about to say slimy, but we're gonna say mucilage that you get with like marshmallow or okra, whatever. Just a little bit. There's some little stuff in it. It definitely doesn't look like trash or anything. I don't know, maybe, you know, it could be maybe even some pollen or something, but when I held it up to the light, it looked kind kind of sparkly, like almost iridescent. Or maybe I'm tripping, maybe I just want to see something like that. But you guys, I will be taking you guys along on this journey, checking in, letting you know how the Nesut Nectar cob drops work for me. Also included in the box there were these 2 cards. So one is, you know, more information about the business, but also specific instructions on how to use the nectar. One thing that I'm kind of missing and wondering about is the dosage. So like it says as an eye drop or 1 drop per day per eye. That is so blurry. Like I really I hope this works. Oh wait, so 2 tablespoons a day for 3 weeks, but that's like taking it orally. Sit sun activation. Sit the honey outside in the sun for a day to activate its dormant properties. So I was gonna try to start using it tonight, but maybe I should let it sit in the sun. I just wanna experience it, you know? And then this one talks more about like the benefits of the honey, why it can be used as an eye drop. And this, when I read this, was a lot of the information that I've heard KT talk about in videos. I'm not gonna sit here and like read this to you guys or anything, but just know that it does come with like thorough instructions and thorough information about what you've purchased. Except I would say the one thing is like how long to continue using the eye drops. So I don't know, I'll probably just go to like his Instagram page and see if there's any more information there about how long, like the duration, how many days. It says daily, but until when, right? And if I end up reaching out, I will let you guys know that information, what I'm told. I'll share what I'm told, just because I think it could be helpful for those of us that are starting out using the nectar. All right, y'all, I can't think of anything else right now, so yeah, stay tuned. Definitely subscribe to my channel because I'll be back all along the way letting you know more about the Nesut Nectar. Also, you know, I do plenty of like cleanses and different things on my channel, so if you're interested in that type of content, fitness, holistic remedies, trying out different things, being a little test dummy guinea pig, I am your girl. So go on, hit that subscribe button. All right, y'all. Peace. Hope this helps someone.